Hey everybody, Rory, Carolina olive oil, here we go again. This time we're doing habanero olive oil on a great recipe. This is going to be loaded deviled eggs with a really nice spicy kick. So here we go right into it. We've already hard boiled some eggs here. I've of course pulled the yolks out of those. We are going to add our favorite mayonnaise. This is Duke's, of course, because we are in the South, and we're going to work that into the egg yolks. And I just use a fork. I don't use a blender. I don't use a potato masher. This works quickly enough if you're going to just do a few deviled eggs. So right now I've used 6 eggs here to make this little bit. And I'm going to add into this mix our unicorn dust. And here we go. A little bit of that. Now, unicorn dust, if you're not familiar with this, this is a very savory kind of spice mix. It's a little bit buttery, a little bit garlicky. And I'm not going to add a whole lot, but I'm going to, there we go, just like that. This will give it a little cheesy flavor. That'll be beautiful. Okay, to that, I'm going to add our habanero olive oil. And this gets pretty warm. I'm not going to do a whole lot in this 6-egg concoction, probably about a tablespoon. And you can always add more later after you taste test it, okay? So, there we have it. The deviled egg fill is done. And you know, does anybody else have any trouble with filling these little deviled eggs up? Well, on this recipe, I'm not even going to worry about it, okay? I'm just going to put that on there because this is a little different. These are loaded deviled eggs. And we're just going to put all that on there like so. You know how great nachos are when you load those up and you don't really care where everything goes exactly? Well, okay, that's what these are about too. Okay, here we go. All right, that is perfection. Okay, so in addition to that, how about this? Let's add some grated smoked Gouda cheese to this, and we will just keep grating and grating and grating. Okay. I would say that's enough, but maybe not. All right, here we go. So that is done. Let's add some color to that. We have some diced red onion. Here we go. Not everybody likes relish on their deviled eggs or in their deviled eggs, but I love the color element that takes place. And just because we can, let's do some bacon. These are bacon crumbles. Now you could add maybe some fresh tomato on top of that also, but here we go. Those are loaded deviled eggs, and they're going to be spicy because of this habanero olive oil. Tasting is believing on this. Your guests are going to have a lot of fun with these deviled eggs. Oh my God, these are so delicious. Wow, hope you enjoyed the video. That's all there is to it. I'm going to add just a little bit of habanero olive oil to that and spice it up even more. But wow, insane. Have a great day, y'all.